Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 508. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic gearbox. In the beginning, let's take a look in the middle of the car, and right here we've got automatic gearbox. So we've got like 4 gears: reverse, neutral, automatic and manual. So firstly, in order to enter reverse gear, press the clutch, pull a little bit, lift a little bit gearbox and push it upwards. As you can see, right now we are in reverse gear. In order to set neutral, pull the lever. Automatic means drive, so also pull the lever to set drive mode. And in order to set manual, again lift the gearbox a little bit and pull. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.